Hi there. Welcome to AGH Supply. We'll walk through how to assemble our flagship 16-inch metal bed frame. If you're watching this and you haven't quite bought a bed frame, then visit our website and order one right away. The only tool you'll need for this assembly is a standard Phillips screwdriver. For your safety, we always recommend to wear gloves and glasses. To begin with, you should have received two boxes. The smaller box contains the bottom frame and the larger box is the wire mesh top frame. It's best if you unpack everything to ensure you have all contents on hand. Make sure to give yourself enough room for assembly. We'll first start with the bottom frame. Place the long ones on your left and right side. The short ones on your head and foot side of the bed, forming a rectangle with all of the frames. Fasten the screws at each corner. The bottom frame can now stand all on its own. Next, we'll assemble the top frame. This is done by attaching the two netted frames together. Carefully place the whole thing upside down on the bottom frame. The top frame will already have holes drilled to attach the legs. Fasten two screws on each leg. You can now push in the leg glide to fit on top of each leg rod. Flip the top frame over to let it rest on the leg support. Adjust the extension arms to suit your mattress requirements. Secure them tightly once they are in the correct position. Fix the mattress retention handle on the leg side of the top frame, as shown. This prevents your mattress from sliding off the wire mesh. Finally, align the fastening holes of the top and bottom frames. Ensure you have tightly secured the top and bottom frames together by using the appropriate screw. And you are done. You can now enjoy all the benefits of our metal frame beds. The best part is that our full-size bed frame perfectly fits to queen-size bed by extending side extension bars, saving you from investing in two sizes. For more information on a wide range of comfort products and to place an order, call us at 800-991-6501 or visit aghsupply.com today.